In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row or column in Google Sheets. If you've ever set up a sheet and realized you need more space in the middle of your data, this quick technique will keep everything organized without breaking your layout or formulas. Start by identifying exactly where you want the new space to go. Look along the left edge of your sheet for the row numbers or along the top for the column letters. These headers control the whole row or column. Move your cursor over the row number if you want a new row, or over the column letter if you want a new column. Then right-click. This opens a context menu that applies to the entire row or column, which is the key to placing the new space exactly where you need it. From the menu, choose Insert Row Above if you clicked a row number, or Insert one column left if you clicked a column letter. Selecting the row option will place a blank row directly above the row you clicked. Choosing the column option will place a blank column directly to the left of the column you clicked. The moment you select that option, Sheets will create the new, empty space and shift your existing data down or to the right automatically. You'll notice the new row or column is completely blank and ready for input, which makes it perfect for adding headers, new entries, or separating sections for clarity. Your formulas and references typically adjust to account for the new space, so totals and calculations remain intact. This is especially helpful in larger spreadsheets where manual copying and pasting would be time-consuming and error-prone. If you don't see the option you expect, double-check that you right-clicked the row number or column letter, not the cells inside the sheet. Clicking the header ensures you get the menu that controls the full row or column. Also, be mindful of where you insert. For example, inserting a row above will push the original row down, and inserting a column left will push the original column to the right. Plan your placement so your data stays aligned the way you want. This right-click approach is the fastest way to add data to an existing sheet because it avoids navigating through menus and keeps your hands close to the content you're editing. With just a couple of clicks, you can make space exactly where you need it and keep your spreadsheet neat, accurate, and easy to read.